Hello and welcome to Proceq UT8000 Tutorial 9, Display Modes. Following actions are possible of completion of this tutorial. Look at the measurement toolbar setup, signal rectification, peak memory, and set reject. How to set up the measurement toolbar. The measurement toolbar is located above the A-scan. You'll see here that I've got gain, gate 1% full screen height, and gate 2% full screen height. When the menu is open, I can move the measurement toolbar and the A-scan from behind the menu by dragging on the measurement toolbar location. The measurement toolbar values, except for the gain, are read-only values and cannot be edited. You can add up to 5 measurement readings to the toolbar, and you can find the options in the display menu. There we go. Press there and you can select up to 5. It uses a waterfall style methodology where once you've entered 5, the first one you entered will drop out when you enter the 6th one. So to remove a measurement reading, deselect the option in the display menu. So I'm going to remove them by clicking the tick, and you show that all of them are now removed, except for gain, which is always there. Signal rectification. You have 4 options for signal rectification, and you can change these in the display menu. The first option in the display menu saying RF. I've got full at the moment. I'll change it to the RF mode. Positive half. Negative half. And back to full. Peak memory. Peak memory can be activated in the display menu. It's a toggle switch. I can switch it on. Now when I have a signal, the blue line behind the yellow line is the peak signal recorded at that location. If I want to switch it off, I toggle the switch off. Set reject. The reject level can be set from the display menu. It's a slider bar, or you can enter the number directly by tapping on the number box. This is used if I want to eliminate some low-level noise. So now you know how to set different displays. Thank you.